To prepare a protein or protein-ligand complex in your Builder workflow, the PDB Reader module is a critical initial step. Begin by loading the PDB ID 8C9W and assigning the project title 8C9W. This title can be reused across other Builder modules and modified as needed. Select a force field. Options include CHARMMM 36M, Amber, Martini 3, or Drude, ensuring consistency with the force field used throughout your workflow. Once settings are configured, submit to proceed. In the next step, choose the source for loading the PDB structure. 4 options are available: RCSB, which retrieves a protein structure using a PDB ID; AlphaFold, which fetches a predicted structure from AlphaFold 2 using a UniProt ID; Custom, which allows uploading a file in formats such as PDB, CIF, or GRO; and Predicted, which loads AI-generated structures from tools like Boltz-2 or Protenix. For this demonstration, select RCSB to load the 8C9W Adenosine A2A Receptor structure. Next, configure the following settings. Enable correct topology to adjust chain and bond details based on interatomic distances. The Rename Duplicate Heteroatoms option, enabled by default, addresses duplicate heteroatom names. Additionally, activate the Run Protein pKa calculation option to determine the protonation state of specific residues based on pH, which will be set on the following page. Review the purpose of each option and submit the settings. Once the structure is loaded, visualize it in the 3D viewer. The right panel displays protein chains, standalone ligands, and water molecules. Select only the reference ligand required for your experiment, such as U30, validate the structure, and make any necessary adjustments. Confirm in the 3D viewer that the ligand is correctly positioned within the protein. The PDB Reader module automatically identifies missing residues or disulfide bonds and enables relevant options. You may also apply modifications such as mutation, glycosylation, or terminal capping if required. Then click the Submit and wait until the next step. After final submission, examine the completed protein-ligand complex in the 3D viewer. The System Information tab provides details including the number of residues, atoms, system size, total charge, and energy values. You can download the structure file for local analysis or retrieve it later in Builder modules by searching for the 8C9W title.